If you're planning to go on the C train while you're in Calgary, then I'll explain as simple as possible how the train works here on Travel Tricks. Before it gets started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The C train is Calgary's version of a rail metro or subway above the ground. It's a fantastic way of getting around town and visit many areas within the city. It's not a perfect rail, it won't get you to the airport or every attraction in town, but it will get you around several areas quickly. To use the C train, you can purchase a paper ticket or day pass from a ticket machine or on the online app. To save money, you can get prepaid tickets. You can get this from the app or online mailed to your home. You can also purchase these in town at newsstands or convenience stores. The train runs two lines. There's the red line, this goes from the north to the south, and the blue line, which runs from the west to the east side of the city. Downtown is where the true benefit of a train can save time and money. Downtown, there are 8 C train stops along 7th Avenue. That's a free fare zone. It's currently called the TD Free Fare Zone. TD is paying as a sponsor. The free fare zone has always been free. That means using these 8 stops, you don't need a ticket to come aboard. As long as you get off before the train leaves the free fare zone, it's free to use. It's a great way to quickly get from A to B. Downtown, the train is widely used. To see Devonian Gardens, Stephen Avenue Mall, Princess Island Park, the Calgary Tower, it's endless what you can use it for. So come aboard and I hope you try the C train. And thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to see how you can pay for a paper ticket or day pass, or get prepaid tickets, check out these videos and check out all my videos. And please subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.